Bay windows are a timeless and functional addition that can dramatically improve both the look and feel of your home. For homeowners in Fort Worth, where natural light and open living spaces are highly valued, bay windows offer an excellent way to enhance comfort, style, and usability. Choosing the right rooms for installation is key to getting the most out of this upgrade. One of the best places to install bay windows is the living room. As one of the most frequently used spaces in the home, the living room benefits greatly from increased natural light and expanded views. Bay windows extend outward, allowing sunlight to enter from multiple angles and making the room feel brighter and more spacious. In Fort Worth homes, this added openness creates a welcoming environment that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. The extra space can also be used for a seating area or decorative feature, adding both function and style. The dining room is another ideal location for bay windows. Natural light enhances the dining experience by creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for meals. A bay window in this space can also serve as a focal point, making the room feel more elegant and visually appealing. Many homeowners use the extended area for a small breakfast nook or additional seating, turning the dining room into a more versatile and enjoyable space. Kitchens can also benefit from bay window installations, especially in areas with enough wall space. In Fort Worth homes, where kitchens often serve as gathering spots, bay windows bring in natural light that makes cooking and socializing more enjoyable. Installing a bay window near a breakfast area or along a kitchen wall can create a bright, open feel. The extra space can be used for plants, decor, or even a small seating area, adding both beauty and functionality. Bedrooms are another excellent choice for bay windows. In this setting, they create a cozy and relaxing retreat filled with natural light. The extended space can be transformed into a reading nook, window seat, or quiet corner for relaxation. In Fort Worth, where sunlight is abundant, bay windows in bedrooms provide a pleasant way to start the day while also enhancing the room's overall design. A home office is also a great place to install bay windows. Natural light is known to improve focus and productivity, making it an important feature in workspaces. A bay window can brighten the room while providing a calming view of the outdoors. The additional space can be used for a small desk extension or seating area, creating a more comfortable and inspiring environment for work or study. Family rooms or entertainment areas also benefit from bay windows. These spaces are designed for comfort and social interaction, and the added light and openness enhance the overall experience. Whether you're watching TV, hosting guests, or spending time with family, a bay window helps create a more inviting and enjoyable atmosphere. Another great option is installing bay windows in rooms that face the backyard or garden. In Fort Worth, outdoor spaces are often an important part of the home, and bay windows provide a wider view of these areas. This connection to the outdoors makes your home feel more open and allows you to enjoy your surroundings from inside. When choosing the best room, it's also important to consider sun exposure and orientation. Rooms that receive consistent sunlight throughout the day will benefit the most from bay windows. However, pairing them with energy-efficient glass can help control heat gain, ensuring that your home remains comfortable even during Fort Worth's hot summers. Ultimately, bay windows work best in spaces where natural light, views, and additional functionality can be fully appreciated. Living rooms, dining areas, kitchens, bedrooms, and home offices are among the top choices because they benefit the most from the added brightness and space. In the end, installing bay windows in the right rooms can transform your Fort Worth home into a brighter, more open, and more enjoyable place to live. By carefully selecting the best locations, you can maximize both the aesthetic and practical benefits of this timeless feature.